Let's be real, the great outdoors is only great when you're comfortable. Otherwise, it's just a lot of sun in your eyes and sweat on your back. Whether you're posted up for a kid's soccer game, camping with friends, or just soaking up the rays at the beach, a good canopy chair isn't just a luxury anymore, it's a total game changer. It's your personal shade oasis. But with so many options out there, how do you choose? Well, we've done the hard work for you. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best canopy chairs for every budget and every need. Let's dive in. First up at number 1, we have the Kelsyus Original Foldable Canopy Chair. This is the one that really kicked off the whole canopy chair trend, and it's still a fantastic, reliable choice. The design is super clever. It folds down from a familiar quad-style camp chair into a self-contained carry case. That's right, no separate bag to lose. The canopy itself offers 50+ UPF sun protection and can be retracted behind you with one hand while you're still sitting. It features a large cup holder and some seriously comfortable oversized armrests. With a sturdy steel frame that holds up to 250 pounds, it's a workhorse. The only minor downside is it's a bit bulkier than someone folded, but let's be real, the built-in portability more than makes up for it. This is the perfect all-arounder for family camping, tailgates, and those long days on the sidelines. Moving on to number 2, the GCI Outdoor Pod Rocker with sunshade. If you're the type who can't sit still, this chair is an absolute game changer. This isn't just a chair, it's a rocking chair for the outdoors. Its patented spring-action rocking technology lets you smoothly rock back and forth on almost any surface, from grass to gravel. Paired with its structured sling-style seat and a UPF 50 canopy, it's built for ultimate relaxation. It has a side phone pocket and a beverage holder, and it folds down compactly into an included carry bag. Supporting 250 pounds and weighing about 14 pounds, it's a solid, well-built piece of gear. The Pod Rocker is perfect for anyone who wants to add a little extra comfort and motion to their outdoor lounging, whether you're at a campsite or just chilling in the backyard. At number 3, we have the DuangDuang Zero Gravity Chairs set of 2. Now this one is for those of you who want to fully recline and escape. Let's be real, this is the Ferrari of lounge chairs. These aren't just canopy chairs, they're zero-gravity recliners that mimic the astronaut position to distribute your weight evenly and relieve pressure on your back and joints. You can smoothly adjust from upright to fully reclined and lock in your perfect angle. The adjustable canopy provides ample shade, and each chair comes with a super handy detachable tray that has a phone slot and cup holders. Built with a sturdy, breathable woven fabric and a strong frame that supports up to 330 pounds per chair, this set is a phenomenal value. They are a bit larger and heavier, but if your goal is maximum comfort for your backyard, by the pool, or even camping, these are worth a long and hard look. Coming in at number 4, the Nice Sea Chair with Canopy. This chair is like the Swiss Army knife of canopy chairs. It comes with everything. We're talking a detachable and height-adjustable footrest, a zippered cooler bag, a cup holder, a side storage bag, and of course, a detachable and adjustable canopy with side shades. It's a full comfort station in a single package. The footrest is a game changer for true lounging, and the fact that the whole thing folds down into a backpack you can carry hands-free is genius. And get this, it supports up to 400 pounds. The only thing to note is that with all these features, it's on the heavier side at over 12 pounds, but for the camper or angler who wants every convenience at their fingertips, the Nice Sea Chair is an incredible feature-packed choice. And finally, at number 5, the Docusvect Beach Chair with Canopy Shade. If your number 1 concern is total sun protection, this is the chair for you. While other canopy chairs mostly shield you from above, the Docusvect goes the extra mile with side shades and a back flap to block light from all angles, creating a true personal cocoon of shade. It's like your own little pop-up tent. Despite this extensive coverage, it remains surprisingly portable. The canopy cleverly becomes the carry case with comfortable, padded backpack straps, and at just 10.6 pounds, it's one of the lightest chairs on our list. It also includes a cup holder and a side storage pocket, and its sturdy steel frame supports up to 330 pounds. For beach days, long fishing trips, or anyone who needs a serious break from the sun, the Docusvect absolutely shines. So to quickly recap our top picks, the Kelsyus Original is your reliable all-arounder, the GCI Pod Rocker brings the comfort of rocking anywhere, The DuangDuang Zero Gravity set offers unparalleled reclining luxury, the nice seat chair packs in every feature you could imagine, and the Docusvect provides the ultimate full coverage sun protection. No matter which one you choose, you're getting a personal oasis that will make your outdoor time infinitely more comfortable. Once you try one, I promise you won't go back.